In this video, you'll learn how to access ABB MyLearning from your iOS mobile device. MyLearning is the primary platform to use for accessing training content or registering for learning events. First, find and tap the App Store icon in your applications. Please note that you have to be signed in to the App Store with your Apple ID in order to proceed. Next, we have to download and install Expertus One from the App Store. Expertus One is the company that powers ABB MyLearning. Tap the search bar at the top of the app and enter Expertus One. Tap Expertus One in the suggested results. Tap Get. The app will download and install automatically. This may take a few seconds. Launch Expertus One from this window or from your home screen when the download is complete. When you launch Expertus One, it will display a login screen. Tap Allow if you would like Expertus One to send you notifications such as alerts, sounds, and icon badges. When you launch Expertus One, it will request you to either sign in or use a company login. Tap Company Login. There is no need to enter a username or password. Instead, enter mobile.mylearning.abb.com in the site field and tap Connect. Next, enter your MyABB login details and tap Login. Please note that you can watch the video on how to set up your MyABB account if you don't have one. Once you have logged in, you'll have full access to MyLearning from your iOS mobile device. You're now free to explore MyLearning.